Okay, so I am now successfully logged into my AWS training and certification. So we're going to kind of explore a little bit about the dashboard, the library, and just the different things that are in here. And then we'll also take a deeper dive in the Deep Racer, of course. So I'm in the dashboard, and yours is going to look different depending on what you've already done or getting ready to start. It may be blank, which is fine, which means you got all kinds of stuff to learn. So what you'll have is like in progress. I got some things that's in progress, got something that's scheduled, things I've recently completed, and discovering more content. So that's the dashboard. There's the library. And you can see it's all kinds of different languages as well. Well, you can't see it in language. Yeah, but we're going to stick with English for our purposes here. You can do digital training. You can do a filter for digital training. My internet's slow, but you can also do classroom training. There it is. Now, the classroom training might be kind of limited right now, and it may be changing soon. You know, if you did have something scheduled, just because of the whole shutdown, shut in, stay at home thing that we're happening right now with the pandemic. So I know, for example, I was supposed to do classroom training later on this month in Georgia, and it's now online. So just as a heads up on that. But I'm a kind of person that I like in classroom better than digital, but digital does work. You just have to have a different kind of mindset. So digital training, we're going back to digital training. There's all kinds of different stuff in there. And don't get overwhelmed. I mean, it's easy to get overwhelmed. It's like, you know, all the stuff that you see. But you can filter it down. So like the domain, there's Alexa Analytics, depending on whatever it is that you want to do. There's all kinds of stuff. Just all kinds. That's awesome. And there's partners. So, but we're not going to worry about that right now. Recommend it. Getting started. If you're brand new, that would be a good one to do. The role, whatever your role is, or whatever your role you want, what you want your role to be. Your skill level, fundamental, intermediate, and advanced. Language, we played with earlier, English, digital, free digital training. So let's go ahead and filter that as well. You can get started with machine learning basics. It's a 30-minute video. There's all kinds of awesome stuff. But we're going to look for, let's go keep going, certification. So certification is actual certification with AWS. They have cloud fundamentals. I'm looking at my cheat sheet here. Solutions architect, developer, SysOps admin, solutions architect, DevOps engineer. And he just keeps going and growing and growing and growing. And they actually have some specialty certifications in data analytics or big data. Can't remember exactly what it was. I think there's one for machine learning, Alexa. I don't think there's necessarily one for Deep Racer, but machine learning is a big part of Deep Racer. So I'm not going to go into that right now. But yes, check it out if you're interested in growing in your AWS skills. Let's go to the support tab. There's some common questions and answers. Partner training, we're not going to worry about that right now. Okay, so let's go to the learning library. I'm going to type in Deep Racer. I had it and then I lost it. Okay, so type in Deep Racer, you get AWS Deep Racer driven by reinforcement learning, which is what we want. So we can see I started it, wanted to resume. This course is designed to give you hands-on experience with reinforcement learning by helping you build, train, and deploy models in AWS Deep Racer so you can compete in the Deep Racer League. Course starts off by orienting you to the AWS Deep Racer before diving into RL, which is reinforcement learning. You'll have several opportunities to build, train, and evaluate your own RL models, and then deploy them to a physical car. If you don't have the physical car, it's not a big deal. If you're going to attend a summit, if you're able to attend a summit, if they're having them in person, that might be a way for you to compete. If not, you can just compete virtually. By the end of the course, you'll have your own optimized reinforcement learning model that you can enter into a virtual or physical circuit of the AWS Deep Racer League. So language is available. We're not doing Japanese. Let's see. So I'm getting ready to resume mine. I don't even remember where it left off. Okay, let's go ahead and looks like I'm able to look at the start of the course, so let's go ahead and do that. Um, let's go to the details. Okay, welcome to AWS Deep Racer, driven by reinforcement learning. This course is designed to help give you hands-on experience with RL by helping you train. So we said that earlier, so start your engine. Okay, start your course. There we go. Okay. Now, some of this content is very similar, if not the same, as what's in AWS Educate. So if you have AWS Educate or if you've been playing with it, you might see some overlap, which is fine. And if you don't have AWS Educate, then this is going to be new. So it has really great resources to learn and to play with. So you can go over the course trailer.
We are going to teach you all about it. Hello, everyone. I'm Blaine Sundred. I'm here to show you how these 1/18th scale race cars are fully autonomous. Participants will learn all about how reinforcement learning drives AWS Deep Racer and how to join the global Autonomous Racing League or compete virtually from anywhere in the world. Hope to see you at reInvent 2019. Let's get rolling.
Okay, so obviously reInvent 2019 is done past, but hopefully there's going to be a reInvent 2020. And then I believe they were having the competition, if you compete in the individual summits like Chicago, DC, and wherever the other ones are. I went to the Chicago and DC one, that the winners can actually compete in the Vegas one, which is the reInvent conference. So there's a lot of great opportunities just to kind of, as you learn, as your curiosity grows, as you spend the time to invest and learn more about this cool stuff, that you never know where it's going to take you. Now, keep in mind the pandemic. You don't know what's happening, but still awesome opportunity to learn. You can compete virtually, and they're actually changing. So this was kind of last year, as you could tell, for 2019, but they're revising their Deep Racer League. So what they're just adding another card to it. I haven't had the time to take a deeper dive into what it is that they're doing, but they're revising it a little bit. So just to kind of up the ante and make it, another spin on it, on the fun. And but this is how you get started. This is how you get started learning. This is how you get started working on it. And just, it's so much fun just to learn this and see this cool stuff. Like whenever you're seeing it in action, like I've done a couple of models, and on AWS, and it's just so cool seeing the results of it and seeing what it's doing, how the reinforcement, the machine learning, and all of that stuff works together. It's really a lot of fun. So this is how you get started if you're doing the certification portal in addition to AWS Educate or instead of AWS Educate. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.